So in this crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your referral code here on at crypto.com. So once you're on crypto.com, if you're on the main screen right here, I want you to go to the top left and press on the three lines. Once you're on this page, I want you to scroll just all the way down on the left hand side of your screen. Scroll to where it says bonus and then where it says rewards. Go ahead and right below that press on refer. Once referral bonus is selected, as you can tell, you can see your rewarding or how much rewards you've actually earned by sharing your code with friends or people. In this case I have none, but if you want to go to the bottom, press on share. You can go ahead and actually scan the QR code if you're looking for that. You can also copy the referral code or the referral link and share it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to share your referral code on crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.